Hello viewers, today we're going to be looking at Cloves tea and its benefits. Cloves improves digestion, prevents bloating, and a whole other health properties. A disclaimer here, this information is for educational purposes only, not for diagnosis or otherwise. Always consult with your doctor when you have any health issue. So we have the different types of benefits of cloves in our kitchen. Clove is a spice that we have in our kitchen, and we use it to, to spice up our foods, and it's very beneficial. One property that it has is it improves liver health. It detoxifies your liver using eugenol. It helps with liver cell regeneration, helps you to multiply to have new liver cells. Then number two, it regulates blood sugar levels. Eugenol has been found to improve insulin sensitivity and production. It has another substance called agirinica, which also helps to move the sugar to the cells at night. Another property of cloves is that it contains a lot of antioxidants. Clove water has vitamin C, garlic acid, etc., which helps to mop up the free radicals from our body and repairs our cells when we are asleep or when our body is at rest. It's also anti-inflammatory. When you have body pains and all that, it's inflammation that causes that. So clove has eugenol that helps to interrupt the inflammatory process. Clove also, it's very good for respiratory health. It soothes the airways and makes us breathe better. It improves bone health. It prevents bone loss, increases your bone density so that you will not have diseases like osteoporosis. It improves dental health, reduces gum inflammation, thereby reducing gum disease. It's also very good. It improves cardiovascular health, and meaning it can prevent the development of hypertension. It also improves sleep, and it also enhances your hair growth. So a lot of properties for gloves, for glove tea. So it's something you need to take daily. The gloves, you can take about 10 pieces of the seeds and put it in boiling water, boil for 10 minutes, steep it, and then you drink. You can add stevia, or you can use the powder form. But in this video, we are using the ground cloves. So you use either a quarter, or start with a quarter teaspoon to half a teaspoon. That's what I take, and I drink this clove every three times in a week, and it's been very beneficial to my health. So try it. Thanks for watching Grandma Esohe's cooking. Please share, like, and subscribe. God bless you, and don't forget to try it and see.